354, turn right, contact ground point 65.
South 354.
Southwest 220, midway tower, traffic departs and holds in position on 31 center. The wind's variable at 4 knots, runway 4 right, turtle line.
Turtle line 4 right, South 220.
Challenger 300, Bravo Charlie, midway tower, traffic is on short final for 4 right and will depart 31 center. Full length is approved, runway 4 left, line up and wait. Challenger 300, Bravo Charlie, midway tower, traffic is on short final for 4 right and will depart 31 center. Full length is approved, runway 4 left, line up and wait. Hawker 1186, midway tower, traffic's departing 31 center and holding and also departing 4 left. Wind calm, runway 4 right, turtle line.
Turtle line 4 right, 8186.
Challenger 0, Bravo Charlie, traffic is going to be at 3,000 feet above you off your departure end. Turn right heading turn right heading 090 and maintain 2,000 on my frequency, clear for takeoff.
Okay, right turn 090, and we'll level off at 2,000, clear for takeoff 4 left, 300 out of traffic.
Southwest 3324, say altitude vacate.
Southwest 3324 is out of 2,300.
Southwest 3324, thank you. Fly heading of 13. Traffic holds in position on 31 center. Runway 4 right, turtle line.
Turtle line 4 right, City 1275.
Porter 388, midway tower, traffic lands runway 4 right, runway 31 center, line up and wait.
Left wing with 31 right, Porter 388.
Runway 31 center.
Correction, sorry, 31 center, Porter 388.
November 0, Bravo Charlie, fly heading 090, climb and maintain 3,000 now.
I maintain 3,000, Bravo Charlie.
November 0, Bravo Charlie, contact departure 118.4, good day.
18.4, Bravo Charlie, good day.
Hawker 186, safe parking.
Atlantic 186.
Hawker 186, turn right at Sierra, no delay to it, and contact ground point 65, thank you.
Right at Sierra, ground 65.
Porter 388, turn right heading 110 and start the right turn as soon as able, runway 31 center, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff 31 center, as soon as able, heading 110, Porter 388.
Citrus 927, midway tower, ready when you are.
Right, Citrus 927.
Citrus 927, runway 31 center, turn right heading 130, clear for takeoff. 0, clear for takeoff.
Right to 130, clear for takeoff, Citrus 927.
Citrus 927, Dementia heading, turn left now. Left turn heading at 210.
Left to 210, Citrus 927.
Citrus 927, contact departure on 118.4. Have a great day.
Departure, Citrus 927.
Midway Tower 737 Mike Echo, 9 miles to the southeast landing, Mike.
Cessna 737 Mike Echo, midway tower, make right traffic for runway 4 right for now. I might change that.
737 Mike Echo, make traffic for 4 right. Right traffic for 4 right.
Cessna 7 Mike Echo, runway 4 right, turtle line.
737 Mike Echo, copy. 4 right.
Nice job.
Ocean Tower, Compass 5794, visual 4 right at airman.
Compass 5794, midway tower. You're following a Cessna on short final. Winds are variable at 4 knots. Runway 4 right, turtle line.
Turtle line 4 right, Compass 5794.
Midway Tower, citation 400, Echo Charlie with you, 2.5 for runway 4 right.
All that Cessna 7 Mike Echo, turn right on runway 13 left, and then turn right on Yankee, contact ground point 65. Citation 400 Echo Charlie, midway tower, wind variable at 3, descend out of 2500 at your discretion, runway 4 right, turn on.
Clear to land, Sierra Echo Charlie.
Compass 5794, turn right. You're not going to Charlie Gate, are you?
Right turn negative, we're going to Alpha 7, Compass 5794.
Okay, turn right again on Yankee and contact ground point 65, good day.
Right on Yankee, ground point 65, SMU, Compass 5794.
Southwest 2671 is ready.
Southwest 2671, midway tower, traffic is landing runway 4 right, wind variable at 4, runway 31 center, line up and wait.
Not 431 center, Southwest 2671.
Southwest 2671, runway 31 center, turn right, heading 110, clear for takeoff.
Right turn, heading 110, clear for takeoff. 31 center, Southwest 2671.
Citation 0 Echo Charlie, safe parking. Citation 0 Echo Charlie, turn right, hold short of runway 31 center on the return, contact ground point 65, get it. Southwest 2671, right turn to 110, maintain 3000, contact departure.
Contact departure, Southwest 2671.
Midway Tower, Southwest 6, visuals are runway 4 right.
Southwest 6, midway tower, descend your discretion, wind calm, runway 4 right, turtle line.
Land 4 right, descend our discretion, Southwest 6.
Southwest 592, Midway Tower. Your company's going to land runway 4 right. Traffic for your runway is 14 miles out, runway 31 center. Line up the way.
Archer line up the way, 31 center, Southwest 592.
Midway Tower, Southwest 327, visual, 31 center, about 12 miles out, descending to 2500.
Southwest 592, runway 31 center, turn right, heading 110, cleared for takeoff.
Turn 110, cleared for takeoff, 31 center, Southwest 592.
Southwest 327, Midway Tower, wind variable at 6, descend your, advise if you see anything.
Will do, sir. Southwest 327, cleared land, 31 center, and it was about a third of the way down.
Yeah, he said the first third, and it might have been a handle from some pliers, he said.
Okay, we'll take a look. Thanks.
Midway Tower, Airport 83 on the south shore of the 31 left approach. We'd like to speed up to a drive 31.
Airport 83, pull up to, Airport 83, pull up to and hold short of 31 center.
Airport 83, up to
Airport 83 from the approach end, proceed northwestbound on 31 center. It was reported approximately a third of the way down. There might be something down near Yankee, but we can't tell for sure. Yeah, look between the double hold bars and Yankee. We think there's something out there. So 327, right turn, cross 31 right, ground point 65 after you cross. Could